Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Seekway LED Player to create a split screen effect. Firstly, we create an appropriate size of mapping according to our project requirements. Then we right-click the blank space and choose Add Program. Next, we right-click the program and choose Add Window. I'll add 4 windows as a demo. Now we can select the window and drag the edge of the window to resize it. We can also slide Property to find Window Property. We can also enter the coordinates and size of the window here. If we want a more neat split screen effect, we can right-click the program and click Vertical Split Window to achieve this effect, or click Horizontal Split Window to achieve effect. Then we can add different effects to each window independently. For example, we click Window 1 and import a video. How to import video can be seen in the second advanced teaching video. Then we click Window 2 and create a built-in effect. We can also click Window 3 and create an advanced effect. How to create advanced effects can be seen in the first advanced teaching video. Finally, we click Window 4 and add a colorful character. How to create colorful character can be seen in the second advanced teaching video. After doing all of these, we select the program and click Play to see the split screen effect. Besides, we can also make a linkage effect, such as spring, summer, autumn, and winter. That is all about using Seekway LED Player software to create a split screen effect. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.